Hi, today I am going to be playing Minecraft Super Survival Episode 2. Finally, I'm sorry I couldn't make a video in a while, but thankfully I can now. And wait, what? I died from the last time, I guess. I don't remember that. Well, I did a few things off camera when I was trying to record this with my phone that's broken now. So, for a sec I thought that was Pillager out, but and I improved my house a bit. Only that, pretty much. So today, as you can probably tell from the title, I'm going to be mining, which I don't technically like, but I need some resources. I'm collecting these because don't you want things to look beautiful? Well, anyway, I don't know. But if I jump and then I jump and then I jump and then jump and then jump, then I can jump. Yes, that is true. Where's my house? I was going the completely wrong way. I still don't like my arm, how it's not connected. I like how I made it have a monstery vibe. Yeah, I like that monstery vibe, I guess. It also looks kind of like a bird or something. And, oh no. I did start mining, but now I need... You should know what I need. I need torches, which I needed to get coal for, but then I died, and then that's why I died. You never saw that because I did that off camera. You never saw me die from trying to get the coal, and now I need to kill this piggy because he's Peppa Pig. And Peppa Pig's evil. And slice. I wish I had a sword. Where are you, piggy pig? I see you. Don't think that oh poop. I hit that villager. I'm gonna need you. You're a farmer. You're easy to get stuff. If you can see my hand, I'm sorry. I needed to turn it up so you could hear it. Villager sounds. He loves being a villager. That's his specialty. My specialty is being a human. Probably yours too, unless you're bad at being a human. Which I don't know if is but pro tip, I cannot jump. That is not a pro tip. It's almost night. Okay. It's basically night, so I'm just gonna break this log. Well, maybe it is night, but it's raining. That's why it's dark. And then I will run. There's a doggy. Once I get bones. Actually, maybe when I said you can probably tell by the title, it might actually change from what I was thinking of, because I'm not gonna, because I just saw a wolf, and let's just go like this, and then all I need to do is make sticks, and then let's run. I love how it just lights up when I look at it. It's awesome. I still need more torches. And that is good for right now. Now, wait. I was gonna see if I was smelting gold. Finally, I've made an axe to kill the pickles. I don't know why I said sword before, because axes are actually better than swords if you didn't know that. I learned that like a bit ago. Watch this. Wait, what? How'd that not hit you? Yeah. Okay, so whoop. 260. Wait, I didn't even do this. 360. By the way, this is not hardcore, so if I die, it doesn't matter. But because I might make a hardcore series, but probably not in my next video. I need to go where I was going to go to because it was night yesterday. I couldn't do it. Food! This is not food. Can I make up my mind? Wait, what? I was gonna mine straight down, which I shall. If you're a pro, you shall. Never dig straight down. Now I'm gonna hit you with this axe, okay? If you dig straight down one more time, I'll hit you with this axe. And this is my question. You will not do the answer until the next video, okay? So, what would you do if you only had a wooden pickaxe and there was no other ores other than one diamond block that you saw? And what would you do? If you're a pro, you should know what you would do. If you're not a pro, I know what you would do, but what? What? You don't even trade with me. You want me to hit you with my axe? Don't mine with your axe unless you're mining a tree. Okay, I think that's enough coal. Maybe not. Let's have a bit more. I need to kill some skellies. Sheepity sheep. Sheepity. I might not get to mine in this episode, but maybe next episode. Okay. Bruh. Yeah. A chicken. A chicken. You give me cooked chicken. What was that? I know I heard an anvil. Tell me if when you get poisoned you hear an anvil. I just heard an anvil. I got string. I don't want string. Okay. Use my axe once I find the tree, which the trees are over here. Aw, weird flowers. But let's go. Dandelions. Okay. Axe. if you want me to have a terrible name, call me Axeman. What I'm gonna chop your face off. Just kidding. I would only do that if you're evil. I don't think you guys are evil. Like and subscribe, and you can always change your minds later. I never knew you could just jump onto these and then get them. You learn something new every day, which I've always said that's not true. I'm sorry I'm stepping on your crops. What you gonna trade me? 20 wheat for a pickle. I don't want a pickle. I'll plant them back if you're so mad. Okay? You're too mad, so too bad, so. Good. Now plant on your face. 1 emerald for 6 pickles. I might not be able to mine in this episode, but I will probably be able to mine in the next episode. Okay? This is always stressful when I never get to pretty much do anything. Yep. Seeds. You don't like seeds. If you don't know what animal likes seeds, I'll tell you. It's a chicken. A chicken. His name is Chicken. I hate how it only does half of a heart. I mean half of a heart. That'd be awesome. And only does half of a hunger bar. Chicken? Do you wanna come with me? You wanna come with me? You wanna come with me? Yes, you wanna come with me? You wanna come with me? You wanna come with me? You two chickens. You are loud chickens. You guys come on in. I'm gonna make 3 doors, I guess. Nope. Chickens. I don't think you... No. Chickens, come back. Come back, brothers. You stay in there. You stay. Okay? You stay. If you don't understand what stay means, I won't tell you. That makes it look even better because the chickens can't escape. And chickies, I gotta make fences for you. So, and fences. I have 6 fences. Okay, I need something to get out without the chickens getting out. Can I I'm mad at you chickens. Move. Come on, seeds. You want seeds? Well, not anymore because I've got this and giving you the seeds. Not today. Bruh. Bruh. You have to jump 2 blocks and then you still can. Okay, guys. Okay, chickies. Okay. You see? You guys want seeds? Where you gotta come? Where you gotta come? Easy, 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 come. Okay, I've got a surprise for you. Okay, you guys look beautiful. Okay, so all I need to do is woof and buff and enough. Good. I do have more left. Okay. My chicken farm is awesome. Well, guys, I think I'm done with this for today. What? Why is it mine? What? How'd that mine? How'd that happen? Well, guys, today that was the end of my episode of Super Survival. Thanks for watching today's video. See you in the next time.